Okay, let's get this dryer repaired. Is it plugged in or no?
You unplugged it.
I unplugged it, okay, cool.
Yeah.
This one has a thread. Let's see if this one does. It's all complete one unit. I'll be able to separate them, looks like it. Okay. Let's see if I can get this one out. Completely broken here. The thread is broken. Let's see what can be done. Do it outside. Okay, let's do this. No. It's moving. Too much lint everywhere. Catch here good. Let's see. Stuck. So I have to remove this in order to put the new thread in, and hopefully this is the same thread, because if it's not, it's not gonna fit, then there's a problem. I have a little problem here that I can't remove this piece right there. So let's see if I can do it. Doesn't want to come out for some reason. Those vice grips are much better than mine. Let's see if I get this. It's not good. Okay, got it. Perfect. Now hopefully it's gonna fit to my new blower fan assembly, because it looks good though. I think it's gonna fit. I hope so. Yeah, I think it's gonna fit. Perfect. Yeah, I got it all out. Sometimes when the blower wheels, they break, the inner piece also, see there is a thread inside, it's also breaks, so you need sometimes 2 vice grips to release it from the shaft. Now I'm gonna go back and install the new one. I think it should be okay. Now we can use this one. I don't want to tighten it too much. If you will need ever new replacement, you don't have to fight it.
Blowers usually last.
Oh, they last.
Expect to see like what, 5 years, 6 years?
Oh yeah, they should last long. Yeah.
Longer?
Yeah. They never fail usually. Is that worst case? If there is no holes, we'll make holes, but should be there.
It's like identical the same, man. Like, I've been looking at it and like,
Yeah.
fucking holes are supposed to be, the brackets are where they're supposed to be, but they can be off a couple of millimeters, whatever.
No, I got it. It's all here.
It's all good?
Yeah.
Right on.
See?
Identical, yeah?
Perfect. And way better price.
Yeah.
Perfect, like brand new. Perfecto. Yeah, it's all installed. Just need to put everything back together and it should be all good.